Hey everyone, if you want to blur the background of any image for a clean professional look, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to blur background in Photopea step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Photopea and import your image. Go to File, then Open, and select your photo from your computer. Next, select the subject using the Quick Selection tool or Lasso tool. You need to separate the main subject from the background before applying any blur. Now invert the selection so the background is selected instead of the subject. Go to Select and click Inverse to switch the selection. After that, apply the blur effect. Go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur for a smooth and natural looking background. Adjust the blur strength carefully. Increase or decrease the slider until the background looks soft but still realistic. Once you're happy, deselect everything and check the edges of your subject. You can refine edges if anything looks affected by the blur. Finally, export your image by going to File and clicking Export As. Choose PNG or JPG and download your final edited image. So yeah, that's how you blur background in Photopea. It's simple, fast, and gives your photos a professional DSLR style look. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner design tutorials for easy tips and tricks. All right,